how to get your e-badge for the 50th Jinhan Fair. Hello everyone, still waiting in line for entry the fair? No need at all. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother sourcing experience at the 50th Jinhan Fair. Step 1. Visit Jinhan Fair official website. Go to www.jinhanfair.com. Step 2. Click on Visitor Registration. Log in or create an account. Then fill in your information. Step 3. Identity verification. Submit your ID information to complete the identity verification process. Step 4. Obtain your badge. Once your information is approved, print out your e-badge to enter the fair directly or get the paper badge on site. Additionally, to facilitate entry for overseas buyers, Jinhan Fair offers the permanent card. You can apply for this card after completing the registration process. Thank you for your registration, and we are looking forward to see you at the 50th Jinhan Fair.